Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, we have to open the keyboard, for example, maybe in messages. It doesn't really matter, just open the keyboard, turn it on. Okay, it can be here. And as you can see, all we have to do right now is simply enter the settings, which are right here. Just take a look at this option bar and let's tap on it. On the very first position, we've got languages and types. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So just tap on manage input languages. And here we've got actually the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And as you can see here, we've got the download icon, because this is the list of languages which are already downloaded and you can apply them right away. And here we've got available languages. So if you will find the language you'd like to use in this list, all you have to do is simply tap on this download icon and then you will be able to use it. But let me pick something from the downloaded ones, and let me pick Arabic, for example. So if you found the language you'd like to use, just tap on the switcher in order to activate that. After getting back, we can check that it immediately appeared on the on our list, and here we've got an additional option, language switching methods. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. We can set spacebar swap, language key, and both of them. So I will leave both of them in order to show you how they work. So let's get back to the keyboard, and as you can see here we've got the new icon, globe icon, which means that it will help us to change the languages. Right now we are typing in English. What's more, here we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and let's change into the Arabic one, firstly by swiping on the spacebar. So just tap on it and swipe, and as you can see, it immediately changes to the Arabic one, to the previously chosen one. What's more, we can use the globe icon, so after tapping on it we can easily switch to the English, and after tapping again, and so on and so on. So as you can see, it is very easy, and this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because for some reason you do not need 2 different languages applied to your keyboard. So let's enter the settings again. Let's tap on languages and types and tap on manage input languages. We just got back to the full list of the languages we've got here, and all you have to do in order to remove the language from the keyboard is to tap on this switcher. As you can see right now it is inactive, so we can go back. Here we've got only English left, and after getting back to the keyboard we can see that the globe icon simply disappeared, and we cannot switch anything by swiping on the spacebar, so it means that we've got only 1 language applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.